Today, we're stepping into the world of luxury with an unboxing of the highly acclaimed Louis Vuitton Imagination perfume. This is a melt day like no other. Inside, the first thing we see is the iconic Louis Vuitton orange shopping bag, and then a beautiful thick orange envelope. It says, "Thank you." Such an elegant little touch. I'll set this aside for now. And here's the main box itself. But before we open it, there's a ribbon tied around it with a small card attached. It says you can spray the fragrance on this card to test it. It even has a little blue LV lanyard. The attention to detail is incredible. Let me push all the shipping packaging away so we can focus on this beautiful box. Okay, wow! The bottle is nestled in this pristine white paper wrap, sealed with a Louis Vuitton sticker. But first, look at this! They include 2 tiny sample vials of fragrance. A nice preview before you commit to the large bottles. Now for the main event. Let's unwrap this. The Louis Vuitton Imagination travel set. Now this is crucial. These are just the juice. To use them, you need a separate travel sprayer that Louis Vuitton sells. And the catch? They don't sell the sprayer alone. So the set you see here with the 4 refills, it's about $160. But to actually use them, you have to buy the travel set, which includes the sprayer, and that brings the total to around $350. It's a bit of a unique system. Here it is, the Louis Vuitton Imagination travel set. They are small, cold, they feel like a tiny piece of architecture. Thanks for joining me for this luxurious unboxing.